this AI-generated influencers are making tons of money through Instagram and other social media platforms. If you are looking for the best AI tool to create your own virtual influencer, then you are in right place. I tested 13 top-rated AI generators and found out the 5 best ones just for you. Watch this video to discover how can you leverage this tool to generate high-quality content and Instagram influencers and start earning big on social media platforms. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you. With 𝗬𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲, you can generate realistic influencer images that are completely royalty free. You can also upload your picture of yourself to create numerous number of digital avatar of your influencer, or you can produce stock photos featuring other influencers. Using advanced AI and computer vision techniques, 𝗬𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 can analyze the depth and perspective of a picture and present 3D model to match the original scene. What is more, you can easily adjust the tilt and depth of your 3D photo using simple slider or add visual effect like motion, blur, bokeh or filter to enhance the image. This AI influencer generator let you customize the several aspects of model, including hair color, hair length, body type and clothing and setting. Using this option, you can ensure brand consistency across all the content you are using AI influencer to promote. Now coming to the number 4 is Influencer Farm. Influencer Farm allow you to generate and fine-tune the AI influencers, enable you to create virtual influencer for various purposes such as social media marketing, content creation, and brand promotion. With Influencer Farm, user can create AI-generated virtual influencer in just few simple steps. By logging into their platform, user can schedule a photo shoot for their AI influencer or select the best picture and publish them within minutes. This process includes generating influencer, taking picture and selecting the best shot and sharing AI influencer picture with the world. Want to see your AI influencer in the action? Sign up today on Influencer Farm and start creating your own virtual influencer Photoshop. Now coming to the number 3 is 𝗬𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲. 𝗬𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 build your virtual influencer empire with ease. This is all-in-one solution for simply processing of creating, growing and monetizing virtual influencer without the need for technical expertise. So say goodbye to the time-consuming task of managing social media account. 𝗬𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 automate the content creation and reposting purpose on multiple social media platforms like YouTube and TikTok. With 𝗬𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲, growing your AI influencer army has been easier and simpler. Just bring a face and let the AI do the rest. Integrate with various social media platforms. It allows seamlessly management of social media profile and auto generation of content in different variation. Simply your influencer journey with 𝗬𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲. Coming to number 2 is 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲. 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲's platform enable you to create and promote AI-powered virtual influencers. You can design your virtual influencer by choosing from a wide range of physical attributes and personalities to create your unique digital person and complete with a bio that set the stage of meaningful interaction. You can reuse your content on social media networks such as personal blog or Instagram post. This platform provides user-friendly tools to effortlessly craft, post images and videos without any step of learning curve. Additionally, the 𝗬𝗯𝗹𝗲's platform allows you to monitor your physical progress with a straightforward dashboard and featuring real-time analysis and multiple cash out options. Now coming to the number 1 is TensorArt. TensorArt is a free AI image generator and model hosting website. It allows users to generate image using variety of AI models, including Checkpoint, Textual Inversion, ControlNet, and LoRa. Moreover, user can also upload their own model on this site. TensorArt is a versatile tool to provide both static AI influencer avatar content using AI. If you want a static picture, you can use free AI image generator to choose from various options. To simply your search, you can select your influencer gender, age and attribute to find AI influencer that tick all your boxes. After the registration, you will see the range of free, public and private models to choose from. Once you pick your model, you can decide the type of number image you want and generate the downloadable version instantly. You can create both male-female AI character, while creating influencer is straightforward. So that's all for today. Which app did you choose and what is your experience? Let me know in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates.